Boss Wayne, mukbangking ng gabi habang may horror chicken wings sa katabi. Nilamon ko lahat kahit may naglalakad. Sa labas ng pinto may bata sa likod ng aparador. Mukbang naka-horror sabay sa mesa. Si Boss Wayne to, di natitinag kahit may espiritu sa pintana. Kahit may sigaw sa screen, mukbang boss ako kahit multo, di palpak ako ang ring. Kagat, subulunok, tulala ka na yan. May white lady sa TV pero ribs pa rin ang plan. Mukbang plus takutan dito para sa tuwa. Pag si Boss Wayne ang kumain pati multo na papaurong wag.
Welcome to my YouTube channel! Bagong nakakatakot na naman po ang ating panonorin mga kaibigan, mga ka-horror. Yan, ito na po ang sisimulan na natin ang 5 extreme horror videos that will let you sleep. Simulan na natin. Uy! Tangina, umpisa pa lang ha? Umpisa pa lang.
Captured by a security camera installed at the entrance of the house. It all happened during a severe flood where the camera accidentally managed to capture this seemingly normal moment where a white car was swept away by the current. But there is something else in this footage that has left viewers completely stunned. Pay attention.
Ito muna!
A figure suddenly appears resembling a cloud of thick black smoke, with a shape similar to a person falling that pushes the metal fence of a house, almost trapping a man who was there. Some believe that it could be the spirit of a person who died during this flood. But what do you think?
Siguro yung babae.
Is it a ghost, or is there another logical explanation for this? Let me know what you think in the comments box. An urban explorer visited an abandoned hospital alone. It is said that the hospital is haunted by the spirit of a former cleaning worker. After exploring it for a while, he comes across the shower and bathroom section, and while walking around the place, he captures this. I don't want to make too much noise. Drying off. The last thing.
Diyan kami mga kabilaan, ayoko niyan.
This is some kind of bathroom.
So mamaya bigla eh.
Let's see. Oh. Look, there's a did-you. See it? When panning to the side, you can see someone or something peeking through a door before
Ay,
disappearing from
may
view.
tao. Sabi ko sa'yo eh, ayoko ng mga ganun eh, kabilaan.
Who's there?
Tapos bigla kang gagano, ay, ayoko niyan.
Viewers of this video believe it's the spirit of the old cleaner. But what do you think?
Nangangati ako guys, nangangati ako sa takot.
The following terrifying
Koko
footage
naman eh.
by the TikTok user was home alone when she decided to record herself dancing to a trending video to upload to her social media. However, something else appears in the clip, something that has left her followers very terrified. Pay attention.
Nagti-TikTok. Ayun o! Ay! Ay, nakasilip sa kanya!
As you can see, a terrifying face
Ayun o!
behind a wall while Tulip is dancing, but she doesn't seem to notice. Another day, while she's in her kitchen, she feels like something is watching her. That's when she takes out her phone and starts recording around her and suddenly captures the following.
Yun. Ay!
Again, something appears near the end of the clip, something that's just inches behind her. Whether it's real or not, this footage is truly terrifying, and I know it scared the living daylights out of many people.
Ay! Ay! Puta nila! Naggala, hayop! Naglagan puso ko.
lot of valuables inside. The owner plans to sell the entire property, so until then Miguel is in charge of nighttime surveillance. However, one night while Miguel was patrolling the school grounds, he noticed something creepy in one of the classrooms and quickly took a picture. This is what he captured. Did you see it? Behind the wall, you can see a pale, creepy face staring back at Miguel.
Hmm.
Another night, he decided to film a tour of the
Konti pa lang yung konti. Medyo konti pa lang.
He captured something extremely creepy. Pay attention. It is indeed scary. In fact, this is where I start because the control tower is close by. If I see anything or anything happens to me here, I run to my control tower and hide there. Stop. As I was saying, this place is
Ah, wala. Saan na? Saan yun? Saan yun?
creepy face.
Ayun, oh!
Again, peering out from behind it.
So, pinto?
Quickly disappears from view. The following night, Miguel would see something that would definitely make your blood run cold. Pay
Huwag ka
attention.
magulo na. Huwag ka magulo na. Manonood ako. Mamaya ka na, mamaya.
What's that?
Ay, ba nakakiyat mo sa akin? Oh. Oh.
100 point.
Huwag mo gulo yung camera ko dyan.
A creepy figure
Yun yung ano,
quickly towards him on the
pinaglalakad na shadow. Shadow siya.
Miguel was terrified and had to take a few days off after what he had seen. A few nights later, he would continue part of his tour showing the classrooms when suddenly this happens. And this would be the last classroom that the patrol would check. As you can see, it's a little neglected because they've stored the things here that the school used to use. I heard something, but I don't know what it was. Well,
Ay. Tumakbo ka na.
no way. I hope I reported it. A chair slides across the floor behind Miguel and he runs to the
Tumakbo
other
ka na.
side of the
Tumakbo
school.
ka na. Umuwi ka na sa inyo. Matulog ka na lang.
Again. However, a few nights later, when he returns, he notices the lights flickering.
Sa loob na.
Again, he catches something creepy. I'm stuttering. Look when I walk away. Look. You saw it. Look now. Look when I get closer. Look, nothing. Nothing. Now look right now that I'm stuttering now. Look right now that I walk away.
Ay! Dito na! Buti naman wala.
Someone or something knocks on a window. Miguel was getting to the point where he couldn't take
Okay lang yun. Basta wag lang sumilip doon sa may bintana niya.
He showed all the footage to his boss and demanded that someone else work with him on the ship so he wouldn't be completely alone in this place. Now tell me, what do you think about this? Real or fake? The final decision.
Number one.
This next video was taken over 8 years ago. There's not much context, except for the fact that the man lives alone in a house that appears to be haunted. At first, it started with some occasional knocking noises. Then things started moving on their own, and one night he captured this. Pay attention.
Nanood. Oh, lumilindol. May lakas naman yan. Diyan sumasakit na yung ulo ko sa ano. Sa nakakatakot na to, sumasakit ang ulo ko. Lumabas ka na ng bahay nyo. Lumabas ka na. Ayan na. Ayan na, babatuhin ka na. Ayan na, umalis ka na nga eh. Sa tabi mo na eh. So, yun guys, parang mga wala namang mga tali eh. Ang dami, posible naman kung may tali sabay-sabay nag-uugaan yan. Totoo yan. Meron yan, malakas. Tago mo yung kutsara, ay yung ano na yan.
All sorts of objects can be seen moving all over the house. The man who's used to most of the activity doesn't panic, but he's not sure what's causing these events. So
Then?
is it really haunted, or is it just a simple trick to get views? You be the judge? You decide?
Katakot mo.
Thanks for watching this video until the end.
So, natapos na yung pinapanood natin. Sa wakas naman, natapos na natin mga ka-horror, no? So, guys, dito tatapusin na natin tong pagpapanorin natin. So, kung bago pa lang po kayo sa aking mga video, pwede nyo naman po kung i-subscribe, pindutin nyo na po ang notification bell para maging updated kayo sa aking mga panibagong mga video. Thank you and God bless sa inyong lahat. Ay! Dito nila!
Boss Wayne, mukbangking ng gabi Habang may horror chicken wings sa katabi Nilamon ko lahat kahit may naglalakad Sa labas ng pinto may bata sa likod ng aparador Mukbang naka-horror sabay sa mesa Si Boss Wayne to, di natitinag kahit may espiritu sa pintana Kahit may sigaw sa screen Mukbang boss ako kahit multo di palpak ako ang ring Kagat subulunok tulala ka na gan May white lady sa TV pero hips pa rin ang plan Mukbang plus takutan dito para sa tuwa Pag si Boss Wayne ang kumain pati multo na